having said that you need different filters for your respirators, what happens to the filter? Well, as you're wearing your filter, of course you're breathing through the filter. You're pulling air in along with the contaminant. What the filter does is stop, it's a barrier between the outside atmosphere and you, and stops the contaminant from getting into you. With the filters, there are different types of filters. You may notice that the filters have a tape on them, a colored tape. This one has a black tape, and if you had a particulate type filter, it would have a pink tape. This one has no tape because it's for one contaminant only, particulates. It's a Hepa filter. This one is organic vapor filter because it has a black tape. Now you may say, well, it has the pink Hepa filter on it also. Yes, it does. And the reason is you're going to wear this for a while, and this Hepa promotes the life of this organic filter to last longer. It's an additional barrier so that you don't fill up this organic filter too quickly and have to change them out so frequently. Having said that, though, it depends on the amount of contaminant in the air as to the frequency that you change your filters. Also, when you're wearing your filters, if you happen to taste something, change your filter. If you happen to smell something, change your filter. If you happen to have difficulty breathing because the barrier has filled up with a contaminant of some sort and it's making it more difficult to pull air through, change your filter. It's time for a change. Your company is supposed to have a cartridge change out program based on your contaminant and how much contaminant you're exposed to. So it could be every day you change your filters. It could be periodic, and your company would have to determine that. But at the end of the day, it's up to you to know to change your filter or not. Do you taste something? Do you smell something? Is it difficult to pull air through this cartridge filter? Now, there's different cartridge filters that you have to wear for different contaminants. For every contaminant out there, whether it's gas, whether it's vapor, whether it's particulate, whether it's dust, whether it's smoke, for every different contaminant out there in your atmosphere, there is a filter for that contaminant. One filter does not do it all. You must wear the correct filter cartridge for that contaminant to protect you. If you wore this Hepa filter, high efficiency particulate air, this is for dust and smoke. If you wore this filter and you were doing painting with flammable paint, this would offer you, as an example, no protection. These are also Hepa filters. This is for smoke and dust and doing hot work and so forth and so on like that, particulates. This is called commonly a pancake filter, and it's Hepa also, just exactly like this is. It's just it comes in a different container. So different filter encasement. So wear the correct filter anytime you're wearing your cartridge. It's vitally important.